here real quick. Nice, to 2. That's what we wanted. Okay. I will be right back. Okay, I know you guys probably can't see anything yet. That's fine. I'm not going to do anything crazy. I want to get this working really quickly. So supposedly, to launch Flatpak applications using drun, we need to make sure that the launcher is configured to use desktop files. Rofi can display Flatpak apps when run in drun mode, provided the desktop files for the applications are properly installed in the system's desktop file directories. These files are typically varlib exports share applications or local share Flatpak exports share applications. To run a Flatpak, you can create a symlink for the app in user bin. That's good. However, XGDataDirs, maybe this could also work with dmenu or similar with Rofi. Actually don't know what this is. Let's take a look because I set it up a long time ago and I don't remember. i3. It is, in fact, Rofi, which is what I thought it was. What in the heck is all that? Also, does it need to be like this or can it just be like this? Or even like this? Do we get variable expansion here? I don't know. There's a button to reload the config that I don't remember because I haven't done this in a long time. Reload i3 config. Actually, reload? Probably in here. There it is. You have an error. Show me the errors. Duplicate keybind. Oh, because I didn't comment out the other one. Oops. Yeah. Mod D. Sorry. There we go. Whoa, we have icons now. That is so cool. And now if I do a sprite, now it still doesn't work. But I also don't know. So hold on. Let's quit this. Let's tmux this. Let's open up the config again. That's not how you spell config. Okay, so I have that there. And what I want to do is just have it there. So I can go local share Flatpak exports. Oh. Make dir -p exports share. And then presumably I have to li-s applications this, and then throw that into local share Flatpak exports share. Yeah, there's two shares. That is weird. Sprite 1.3.14.4. I don't think that's it. But how old was this post I was reading? Okay. I don't see any apostrophe. Oh yeah, that is true. That is wacky. Like that. Best approach I found was using i3 menu desktop. Add a directory to your path. Aliasing Flatpak run. I love how he sent me this. And I still have no idea what the hell he's talking about. Common recommendations to alias Flatpak run. When launching Flatpak applications from the terminal, it's typical to type blah blah blah. Flatpak has its own /bin directories that we can add to path for system installations. Oh, here it is. Local share Flatpak exports bin. No share. Exports bin. Which makes more sense. Still doesn't work. For system installations, the directory located after we restart the shell, we should be able to use application IDs only. It still doesn't help me. What is this even a screenshot of, dude? Can you just like post code like a normal human? Flatpak list. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, that's true. LibreSprite's here. So if I go here, that pops up, but the other one doesn't. So Rofi drun Flatpak user location. So they're also saying, so since this didn't work, I'm just gonna remove this so that way I don't get confused later. And they're saying there should be a local share applications. Oh, there is. Oh, and here are desktop files. It really doesn't matter. It's going to open all of them. Desktop entry. Let me just see. Create desktop file Linux. I want to see if there's like a easier way to do this. Of course, I can just copy paste it. But it'd be nice to have some documentation, maybe. Using a text editor, you can use Nano or Vim. Should be something like this. This guy screwed up his syntax here, but we can make sense of this. Name of the application, executable. I don't know what %u means. Version. Oh, that's interesting. Type application. Path of the application logo. I don't know either. Optional information. Yeah, this is interesting. Startup, I guess, window manager class, JetBrains CLine, startup notify. For system-wide access, move the file from the current directory to user share applications. Local share applications, okay. Typically, command is sudo update desktop database. Huh. Well, VSP, Sprite. I already forgot what version it was. Sprite 1.3.40.4. Desktop. There's a button that I don't remember this one. Is it not W+? There's a way to zoom windows in Vim. Oh, this isn't Vim. This is Tmux. Desktop entry name equals Sprite 1.3.14.4. Such a long name. Exec equals, oh yeah, that's got like a full path. Okay. So wait, actually that is one thing I didn't try yet. Give me one sec here. That is one thing I didn't try here. I put the tilde, but I didn't do, still didn't do this. No, oh, because this one is a share instead of bin. And no, that doesn't work either. Okay, we're not crazy. We're not crazy. But okay. We'll just go like this. Actually, don't even know where to get the icon from, to be honest with you. Don't know what the %u is, so we're leaving it out. And Actually, don't even know what to put there either. I wanted to see if there was going to be an example of one that was like creative art. I don't know what to call it. Oh, sorry. Development ID. Not really design. Oh, look, design didn't even come up as a highlighted thing. Art. I don't know why. Whatever. It worked. Now how do I get the icon? Does that work? No. It's not a directory. App image icon. Ooh. You can extract it from running the command my app image extract, which creates a squashfs root directory containing the extracted contents, including the icon file. Huh. That's cool. Once you have the icon. Okay. Let's try it. Yeah. Hey, sprite. Boom. Whoa, that's so cool. Squashfs. Sprite.ping. What? There's a desktop file here? Bruh. Yeah, see, so there should be some automatic way of doing this. I shouldn't have to create my own desktop file. And I still don't know what this %u means. Just gonna, oops. Oh. Yeah, how do I guess with the mouse? Nope, not even close. Yeah, I guess that works. The only thing I want to change is the location. Icon equals a sprite. Interesting. Now it's not even showing up, dude. What's going on? Okay, well. No, I lost it, bro. Mime type. I don't even know why that's there. I also don't know what try exec means. Oh. Is it just that it takes time to update? I don't know. The important thing is that it opens when I run it, really. And again, I shouldn't have to do this. I should be able to point Rofi add directory Flatpak. Local share Flatpak export share. It's from the same thing I just read. Oh, wait. What if I just did? Well, hold on. I don't want to remove the ones that are there. Oh. So what if I did... XDG dataders. I don't think that did anything. I don't even think that's doing anything. From the looks of it. Newer versions of Flatpak, symlinks to wrapper scripts. Try i3 menu desktop or J4 menu desktop. What is this? Because people keep talking about this. Not found. Okay, i3 menu desktop. Script designed to display applications listed in desktop files through dmenu. XDG data home. Oh, and it looks like this is right, by the way. Yeah, it still doesn't show. Don't know, bruh. Oh, but I think I can just remove this, right? Run, reload desktop, cache, show icons, terminal, alacrity. Don't know what those other things do. Oh, that sets the actual terminal. I don't even know. I don't use alacrity. Let's not do that. Show icons is kind of cool though. Like, how's that different? Oh, dude, I never reloaded the config every single time I did that. Rofi is unsure what to show. Yes. Oh my gosh. I kept doing this without reloading the config. But now it's missing everything. Oh, I gotcha. Data DIRs. I don't think it needs this though. Yeah. Oh my gosh. That's crazy, man. Can we also do Rofi dark mode? Dark theme for Rofi. Yeah, this looks sick. How do we get this? I like this first one. Install using Git. My mouse just died. There we go. No such file directory. Oh, that looks so nice. I'd actually like it to be even bigger. But that is nice. 12? Can we make it like gigantic? Ooh. Maybe it's just not the size. Partly the size, but I also want the spacing. Oh, it's CSS. Ooh. It looks cool. It's just listing too many things now. I mean, that's better. I don't know why everything has to be crammed. You know what I mean? Like, make it look a little bit nicer. Rofi limit number of results. And max lines. Oh. Okay, so we can just say lines. 15 we can change to 8 maybe. Nope, that's still 15. Oh, because I didn't do this. I actually don't know where this goes though. Before scrolling. Ow. It's one dash, right? Columns, lines, fixed number of lines. Yeah, this line thing doesn't work. Yeah, the only thing that shows lines is this fixed number of lines. Keep a fixed number of visible lines. Mm. Okay, wait, hold on. So actually, this might be hurting it. No, there's no lines in here. Trophy.rosy. Rosy theme file. Okay. Oh, failed to load image. No such file or directory. Really? Hmm. Oh, I actually might know why. Oh, I already forgot where that went. Oh no. Oh no. Ah, dude. Flatpak. Oh, this isn't what I was looking for. My thing was in desktop. Applications. Oh, look at that. When I remove the quotes, it works. That's weird. Oh, it's useful running that from the command line to see. But why can't we limit the number of lines? SSH. Oh, that's cool. Shows all the windows I have open. What's SSH do? Oh. I don't know, dude. I don't know. Well, let's do this real quick. Oh, fixed height 0. Yeah, don't know what that means. Um, I don't know where these colors are defined either. It's kind of crazy. Oh, they're right here. Okay. Input bar. Nice. That's cool. The other thing I could do, elements. Oosh. That's too much, but oh no, actually that's pretty decent. That looks so much better. We can just figure out how to limit. Yeah, this file is not very big at all. If we could just figure out how to limit the number, fixed height 0. I'm deleting that. Didn't seem to change anything. Spacing 2 pixels. You see, I would love to have more spacing. Would I like to have more spacing? Yeah, probably, right? Oh my god, it's just like so much more better breathing room, more breathing room. But again, it's like too many entries, right? Element, border radius, padding, border. That's still pretty cool. Okay. Now we need to figure out why the heck this doesn't work. Show run. Row feed line's not working. I don't know what to put in. Being ignored, resulting in menu displaying more than often covering most of the screen height. Confirmed across, including the problem was linked to changes in theming introduced in this, specifically related to how Ryan's attributes handled in the theme configurations. Users found that command line options no longer had expected effect, and the issue persisted. The root cause appears to be a shift in how it interprets the setting, where it is now primarily controlled through the theme configuration. Okay, so how do we change it? I feel like I should have read what that said. List view lines. Ooh. Hey there. I like that. I like that. What do you guys think of that? Okay. Not bad. Okay, so now the other thing I wanted to look at today originally was that so on my other computer, when I try to, this is all my weird Flatpak and launcher issues that slow me down on a daily basis. That's why we spent so much time on this just now, because like just launching Aseprite here from a terminal was a big pain in the neck, because I launched it in a Tmux window like that instead of being able to just go like this. Ooh, that's just so much better. See how much time I just saved? Oh, 1.3.15 is available. That's actually huge. Because I think 15, is it 15 or 0.16 that has the layout stuff that you can customize. So hold on, let me grab it. Oh wait, it's not on here. I need to go to grab the latest version. Where is the... Here we go. There we go. Hey, Sprite. I actually don't even know what the difference is between downloading the app image and downloading 64-bit. Oh, it's a Debian file package. That's why. Okay. Well, whatever. I downloaded the Debian image anyways. Oh, whoops. Go back. Let me check what the version is. Does it say? It doesn't even tell me what version this is. Okay. Well, I hit download. So let's go back here. Whoops. Whoopsie daisy. Oh. Okay, I don't know how this popped up. We've released on September 23rd. Beta versions are only available through Steam. That's so poopy. But that's fine. In the beta, it has the control space thing. Well, whatever. Might as well update anyways. The problem now is I just made all this configuration crap. And it's for 3.14.4. I have to do it again. Let's say Sprite. Oh yeah. No, there's 3.15 applications. There we go. Yeah, but where was that desktop file now? Is in local share applications. Can I? Hold on. Does that work? No. No, it doesn't. So what I gotta do, which is fine. That's fine. I'll just go in here, update this to 15. I already forgot, but this will tell us 15.5. Yeah, and I don't have to, this is what I thought, I don't have to manually update the database. I think that command that I passed forces it to update every time I hit drun. Okay. So that's that. We can close that out. A sprite. Oh no, permission denied. Oh, okay, that's easy to fix. Blammo. Okay, so that gives us that, but that doesn't give us the other features that I wanted, but that's fine. Let's get down to business. I'll go like this. Yeah, 'cause a lot of stuff moved here. That's fine. And what I wanted to do was look at some of the stuff in there. All right, Zelda project, levels, tiles. Right, so what I was looking at was like, okay, how the heck can we use this stuff? Also, this shit's not working. How did I solve this? I think I probably ran some commands that don't persist between my logins, and I probably need to add them to like my i3 config or something. Let's go history. Let's see. Here we go. This is what I wanted. Oh, we just have to run Xbind keys, I think. Yep, that's all I need to do. So let me go to config i3 config and make sure at the end we just exec Xbind keys. Nice. Now when I go here, boom, that's what we like. Also, apparently this is a feature they added in LibreSprite. Let's just check real quick. No. LibreSprite. So new file. Nope. It's not in here. Let me see. I just want to compare this real quick. Preferences. Editor. Timeline. Oh wow, the options are so much fewer. There's so many less options here. That is crazy. Yeah, that is crazy. But also, 1.1 dev. I was wondering 20 to 23. So this version is presumably almost 3 years old, 2 to 3 years old, right? So maybe newer version has more features. I don't know. Might to alpha.js. What? But yeah, I do like the theme better on LibreSprite. I think it has nicer, Aseprite. I think it has nicer colors. But that's neither here nor there. And this is kind of whack. Dark on dark here. That should be like a white color, I think. Right, yeah. Otherwise, how are you supposed to see it? But anyways, so we've got this. I'm going to open LETK. We're going to load levels from here. And what I decided to do with this is, after some critical thinking, I was like, auto tiling is great. However, when we have tiles like this and it's not clear what rules to use, I think we should just forget about trying to create tile rules. It's probably quicker to just get quicker at using regular tile maps in that case. I think that's what they call it, right? I think they call them tile layers. Tiles layers, right? So I think that is the better approach. So what we're going to do here is just set up some basic levels in a sample project and then import it. And the idea here think I have a folder for this. Yes, it's called Zelder, which is funny. It's a funny name. You guys can laugh. Whoa, what happened? Oh, yeah. Godot does have issues sometimes. I don't know why. It could be related to the i3 window manager, actually. I don't know for sure. Let me think. Someone's asking me when I'll be free. Mm. Yeah, this is like totally borked right now.